How much is chef's salary in Barbados? In Barbados, chef salaries fluctuate based on experience and the nature of the establishment. Entry-level commis chefs might earn around BBD 2,000 to BBD 3,500 monthly. As chefs progress, chef de parties could earn between BBD 2,500 to BBD 4,500 or more. Senior roles like Sous Chefs may command salaries ranging from BBD 3,000 to BBD 5,500 monthly. Executive chefs in top leadership positions might earn BBD 4,000 to BBD 7,000 or more. These figures are approximate and influenced by factors such as the restaurant's location, size, and overall reputation in Barbados.